In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your last name in the top right corner on Google Docs. This process is quick, simple, and can be completed in just a few minutes, making it perfect for ensuring your documents have a professional touch. Let's dive right in, starting from the very beginning. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you typically use. Once there, head over to your search bar and type in Google Docs. This is the fastest way to get to the main Google Docs page if you don't have it bookmarked or readily available. Once the search results appear, click on the link that leads you directly to Google Docs. You might see a list of your most recent documents right away, but if you're not logged in, you'll need to take care of that first. Log in using your Google account credentials. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you're signed into the one where the document you wish to edit is stored. After logging in, you will be greeted with a familiar list of your Google Docs files. Now it's time to select the document where you want to add your last name in the top right corner. Simply click on the title of the document to open it. If it's a new document, just click on blank to start from scratch. Next, navigate to the very top of your document. You may wonder exactly where to click, but don't worry. Any part of the top section of your document page will work just fine. This area is known as the header. When you click there, you'll be in the header editing mode. Once you're in the header, look for the right align icon in the toolbar above your document. This icon usually appears as a button with lines of text aligned to the right. Clicking this icon will move your cursor to the right-hand side of the header, preparing you to type your text. Now, simply type your last name into the header space. It's as easy as that. Enter your last name exactly as you want it to appear in your document, ensuring there are no typos or spacing issues. Finally, to exit the header and return to your document, click anywhere outside the header area. A good spot would be within the main body of the document. This action will save your changes and close the header editor, allowing you to continue working on the rest of your document. And there you have it. Your last name is now neatly aligned in the top right corner of your Google Doc, adding a touch of professionalism and helping to keep your document organized. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy documenting!